Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 21 of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I am here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditation, self-care techniques, and more. So today is another Sunday reset. It's also the last day of our challenge. So we are going to indulge in a little bit of restorative yoga. We are going to rest today. We are going to chill. And as you know, this is a day where we're going to add savasana to our practice. So that is how we're going to end our video. So I always recommend that you set a timer so that you can take a few moments to chill. So even after the video is finished, you can always just lay there and have yourself a good time resting. So what you'll need for this practice is a yoga mat, of course, yoga blocks, and if you don't have blocks, you can always use hardcover books or disinfectant wipe containers, and a blanket. And if you don't have a blanket, I always recommend a big fluffy towel. So grab what you need and we will get started. So we are going to start in a reclined bound angle pose. So what you'll need is both of your blocks, or if you're using disinfectant wipe containers, the same thing. You're just going to set them up at the back of the mat. I like to have one flat and then one on the tall height. And it can be the medium or the tall height. It just depends on how far you want to recline back. And then we're going to use our pillows or your bolster, whatever you have at home. You're going to sit them right on top at an angle. So we're just creating a little recliner here. Once you have that, you can start by sitting facing away from the pillows. And then we'll bring the feet together. And then your feet can open like a book. And if you have a lot of space here, you can use more blocks underneath your knees. If you don't have any more blocks, I would definitely recommend a stack of books. You can put them under your knees and just have a little cushion for the knees here. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead and lay back. And then just let your arms open up, shoulders fall back onto your pillows. Let's start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. And open the mouth and exhale. So we'll remain here for a few minutes. Allow your body to feel heavy onto the pillows, onto the mat, onto your blocks if you're using them. Notice any sensations that you may be feeling throughout your body. Notice any areas where you're holding a little bit of extra tension. So if you're gritting your teeth, see if you can have a little bit of space between the top and bottom row of the teeth. Maybe you're clenching your jaw. Maybe you have a little bit of tension between the eyebrows, and you may not even know it. So see if you can relax your body here. Relax your arms. Relax the muscles in your face. Relax your legs and your hips. And we'll stay here for just a few minutes. And if your mind starts to wander while we're trying to relax into this position, you can always bring it back to your breath. Bring your attention back to your inhales and your exhales. Maybe focus on taking more intentional breaths here, or even a cleansing breath, and that'll help you also relax a little more. And that breath is to inhale for maybe the count of 4 and exhale for the count of 8. So your exhale is longer than your inhale. Just bring your focus back to your breath. Take one more full breath here. And when you're ready, if your palms are facing up, go ahead and place them down on the mat. And we're going to press ourselves up from our pose. And now we're going to switch to a wide forward fold. So you can bring your legs to face the wide edge of the mat. And so we're going to transition the blocks and the pillows in front of us. So you can have them either on the medium, tall height, whichever works for you. You're just going to have them in front of you the long way. And then I'm going to sit the pillows on top of the blocks. And you can choose if you want to have 1 or 2 pillows. I think I'm going to have 1 pillow for this practice. And you can sit kind of close to it. If you want to sit further away, that's going to intensify the calf and hamstring stretch. So that's your choice in this moment. I'm going to sit just a little bit away from the pillows. So once you have that set up for yourself, we're going to keep the legs as wide as is comfortable for you, and then keep your feet flexed so your toes are reaching up towards the ceiling. Sit tall in your spine, and then keeping that length in your spine, start to lean forward, and then you can bring your hands down, or your elbows and forearms down, and your head can follow. And we're just going to sit here in this position. Feel the inner thigh stretch, the calf stretch, the hamstring stretch, and see if you can relax into it. Take a deep breath in and out. Another breath in and out. Last one. Deep inhale and exhale. Notice any sensations that you're feeling in your body. Maybe you're noticing the inner thigh stretch. Stretch of the calves and the hamstrings. And if your mind is still wandering, just remember you can always bring it back to your breath. Noticing your inhales and your exhales. And let's go ahead and take one more breath here. And then when you're ready, lift your head, straighten your arms, lift your upper body. And then we're putting the blocks off to the side. So we're coming into our savasana. And we're going to use our pillows for this. So the first pillow is going to come under your knees. And the second pillow is going to come along your spine, so you can put it down by your hips. And then you can go ahead and lay back. And just let your feet relax down towards the mat. If they're not down there, let your heels touch the mat. Let your arms rest out by your sides. Or if you feel like you want to put your arms out to the side straight so that your body is in shape of the letter T, you can do that as well. And let's take a deep breath in and out. Another breath in and out. Last one, deep breath in and out. And as you may have noticed, the breath helps you to relax a little more, helps your body to relax. And just imagine any other places on your body that may be holding a little bit of extra tension. Relax the shoulders, the arms, the hands. Relax the hips, the knees, and the feet. Notice if you're holding any tension in your face, maybe between the eyebrows, the temples, the jawline. And see if you can relax the muscles in your face.